Hello and welcome to Startup Stand-Up. Most presentations are boring. Really boring. For everybody. Just look at that little guy. And they don't have to be. So how are we going to change that? Well, we're going to do it by adding humor. Adding comedy. Why would we do such a thing? According to John Medina, a biologist and author of the best-selling book Brain Rules, the brain doesn't pay attention to boring things. When the brain detects an emotionally charged event, it triggers dopamine, which aids memory and information processing. It's like a mental post-it note that tells your brain, remember this. The smiling and laughter we generate through comedy and humor triggers this dopamine release. It stimulates the release of other feel-good substances too, including endorphins, which act to bring down walls and resistance to new information. This dopamine also turns on all the learning centers in your brain. This is why often you can talk about sensitive topics in comedy clubs without upsetting people as much. Comedy at its most basic form is a combination of material, what you say, and delivery, how you say it. Comedy is also widely used and inherently viral. If you want a message to spread quickly, use comedy. There are 7 key habits behind successful comedy routines, which are also applicable to effective business presentations. And those 7 key habits are going to form the basis points of this course. These techniques are being applied by numerous TED Talks, startups, entrepreneurs pitching ideas, keynote speakers, interviewees, and professional speakers to further engage their audience with one of the most powerful tools available to us, laughter. So how are we going to do it? We're going to make your presentations more engaging and entertaining by teaching you stand-up techniques that work in public speaking contexts. We'll also be showing you how to craft your key message into a memorable and humorous story. We'll be helping you to find humor in everyday experiences and linking these experiences back to your business research, presentation, or topic. We're going to show you how to extract the funny and build it into joke structures through comedy writing techniques and principles. We'll be preparing you to test these jokes and stories on live audiences. And don't worry if this sounds scary, we'll be showing you techniques used by comedians to overcome stage fright and improve your delivery every time. We'll be instructing you on how to open and close strong, make a great and funny first impression while getting laughs every time. We'll also be teaching you how to evaluate performances using a numeric scoring system we outline in the course, and also identify which comedic elements should be added to your final presentations. During this course, we'll be focusing on these 7 habits. Oops, not those ones, different course. Alright, these are the 7 comedic habits. Comedic habit number 1, craft a story. Number 2, add humor. 3, rehearse spontaneity. 4, start strong, first 30 seconds. 5, never run the clock. 6, control the audience. 7, finish strong, close the book. Each of these comedic habits will form a section of this course. At the end of each section, we will have assignments that will help deepen your understanding of the topic and help you get a working set list of jokes, routines, and stories that you'll be able to insert into your business presentations and pitches. By the end of this course, using these 7 habits, you'll be able to develop a much more engaging and entertaining presentation that will generate laughs every time. Let's get started.